That's what I like. All right, let's take a taste test of that bacon, egg, and cheese with some homemade salsa burrito, breakfast burrito. Loaded with bacon. Okay, so that was a quick, simple breakfast burrito on the Blackstone griddle, and some of you may have noticed I wasn't using my Pro Series Blackstone, my 36-inch. Yep, I was using a 28-inch Blackstone Adventure Ready griddle. And I got to tell you, I got it at my secret Walmart. it was marked way down. Reason why it was marked way down was the box was all kind of messed up, and inside, after I got it home, opened it up, the inside, it was soaking wet. Everything was wet. That whole thing was rusty. I don't know if you can see back here. I've got a new top for it right here. Contacted Blackstone, and they sent me a new top. That top actually, I think, is a little bit warped as well. Maybe from the rust. I don't know, but it's not completely flat, but it worked for my burrito. It worked for introducing you to the Blackstone 28-inch Adventure Ready. I know, spring is almost here, so hey, if you're looking for a new griddle or any griddle, your first griddle, a 28-inch is really a really good size. And you'll see a little advertisement thing popping up over here. In case you want to get one, just click on it. And yeah, the 28-inch Blackstone, it's got a bottom shelf, it has a side shelf. I had to put that little I made a little wind guard over there for the one side because it was a little windy this morning. Anyway, if you want to, you can take those legs. There's some cotter pins. You can take that bottom shelf out, cotter pins, fold it up, and take it with you camping. Take it in your motorhome, throw it in the back of your truck. It's adventure ready. It's a pretty nice little griddle. Did I need one? Nah, absolutely not. But I was at my secret Walmart and they had a price that I just could not pass up, right? So even at the full price, it's still a really good deal. And every now and then they do have sales on them. So, you know, we got some holidays coming up. If you want to wait for the holidays and check out the sales, definitely do that. Or like I said, just click that little icon there and it'll take you right over to order one. But anyway, that's my new little toy, 28-inch Blackstone Adventure Ready. And I made a breakfast burrito. And I did the bacon. I seasoned it, but the bacon that I did is the first cook. And those of you that follow me know that I always like to cook bacon as the first thing to cook. So anyway, there you go. Breakfast burrito on the Blackstone Adventure Ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.